Morning. So a wee while ago, David and I investigated an old hangar down near Govan, and the video went viral because we managed to get the door opening and closing to command. Now at the time we got absolutely annihilated with people accusing us of being fake, using fishing wire, someone else being in the building and all this kind of stuff. So we found the original other platform live stream, and we've taken little clips from that just to prove to people, which you shouldn't have to, but we are, that there was no one else in the building, etc. So have a wee look and see what you think.
Hi.
Hi. We are alone in a building which, sorry, I'm just going to turn you around. Yeah, we are alone in this old
Warehouse
complex, and we've had quite good responses from a door moving on its own in here.
The only other living person is the security guard, who is about 3 buildings away. So there's absolutely nobody except us in the whole area. I don't know if you can tell from the screen, but these warehouses are absolutely massive, so it takes 10 minutes to get from one end to the other. This place spooks me.
Can I just show you what that was there? I haven't seen it with my eye. This was this.
That's a toilet. What's through there?
Toilet.
Oh my god. There's no way through. There's nothing there.
Right, hold on. I'm going to shut it.
Well, what I was thinking was an airflow. If there was an airflow, but I saw it.
Right, well, it's not moving.
But there's.
Right, leave it like that, right, and see what happens.
But there's no airflow, so there's no reason for that door.
That's one of those noises.
What is that?
Spirit, if that shoe is banging that door and moving it, swinging it back and forward, can you stand so I can see you, please? Come on, open the door. Open the door, please. Open the door, and then if you open the door, we can maybe see you. So I've got my camera here, we can see you. We just want to speak to you.
Oh.
Thank you very much. Can you shut it? Close the door,
God.
please. Can you close the door again, please, even if you slam it shut? Perhaps we might have got up.
No wonder.
Thank you. Thank you. Spirit, if you're still with us, I know I said I wasn't coming back, could you...
I'm so impressed with what you were able to do.
Can you open the door, please, if you're still with us?
Oh my god.
Thank you so much. What was that?
Oh my god.
Okay, Spirit, thank you. Can you close it again, please? Close the door over, please. We're really impressed. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Well done.
So we're back in our safe space.
How amazing was that?
So that was absolutely amazing. And to actually, normally when these things happen, you've not got the camera, but we've got it on camera, which is absolutely amazing. But it's so peaceful in here compared to in there. In there is so charged. That was nuts.
That was nuts. The noises down there, I know you probably can't hear them as much as we can in here, sounded like stuff getting dragged about.
It did.
Didn't it?
Mm-hmm.